I was just looking at the time. Hi guys, do you remember my name? Yeah, you do. My name's... That's right, my name's Gazzi. And what are we doing? That's right, we're learning our A, B, C's. Today, we're going to learn the letter T. Okay, so to make a T, we need to have a very straight body, and we need to put our arms out, just like this. Alright, so now look, I'm a T. Can you say T with me? Good job. So, T, T, T. What was I just doing? Wait, what time is it? It's Gazzi time. Okay, so time begins with the letter T. So let's go. T, T, T. Time, time, time. T, 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 t. Time. Time. What do I tell the time on? Yeah, I can tell the time on two things. I can tell the time on my watch, and I can tell the time on my clock. Okay, so we can go like this. T, T, T. T, T, T. Time. Time. Then we can pretend to be a clock. Look, I go like this, I go like this. I am a clock. Yeah, good job. Okay, let's do it slowly together. So remember, T, T, T. T, T, T. Time, time. I am a clock. Are you ready? Let's do it slowly first. Alright, so let's go. T, T, T. T, T, T. Time. Time. I am a clock. Yeah. Okay, are you ready to do it with me? Are you sure? Cool, let's go. 3, 2, 1. T, T, T. Ta, ta, ta. Time, time. I am a clock. Awesome. I love this one so much. Can you do it one more time with me? Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. T, T, T. Ta, ta, ta. Time, time, I am a clock. Awesome work, guys. I'll see you next time on Gazzi's ABCs. Bye.